Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm taking you with me to Canberra, the capital city of Australia, and I'll be staying at one of the most iconic 5-star properties here, Hyatt Hotel Canberra. My journey started with a short flight from Melbourne to Canberra on a Qantas flight. To be honest, the experience wasn't that great. The seating felt quite compact and not very comfortable. But anyway, it was a short flight, and soon we landed in Canberra. After reaching Canberra, I headed straight to the hotel and checked in. And the moment you enter Hyatt Canberra, you can feel that classic luxury vibe. It's calm, elegant, and very peaceful. Exactly what you expect from a 5-star hotel in the capital city. Now let me show you the room. The room is quite spacious and thoughtfully designed. You have a large, comfortable bed, a work desk, a seating area, and plenty of storage space. Everything in the room feels well maintained and premium. There's also a minibar inside the room. Some snacks and drinks are complimentary, while others are chargeable. And everything is clearly mentioned, which I really appreciate. You also get tea and coffee making facilities, bottled water, and all the basic essentials you'd expect in a 5-star hotel. And now, let's talk about the bathroom. It's huge, very clean, well-lit, and spacious. It comes with premium toiletries, fresh towels, and a very luxurious feel overall. After a long day of travel, this room honestly feels very relaxing and comfortable. The next morning, I went for breakfast, and I genuinely enjoyed it. The breakfast buffet had a good variety of options. There were fresh fruits, pastries, bread, hot breakfast items, eggs, and drinks. I tried a few different dishes, and the quality of food was really good. Everything tasted fresh, well prepared, and satisfying. For me, breakfast is an important part of the hotel experience, and Hyatt definitely did a good job here. I also spent some time exploring the hotel a bit more. The interiors have a classic, heritage-style design, which makes the hotel feel unique. The exterior of the hotel looks equally beautiful. Elegant architecture, well-maintained surroundings, and a very premium feel. You can really see why this hotel is considered one of the top luxury stays in Canberra. Stepping outside the hotel, I explored a little bit of Canberra. This city is incredibly peaceful. There's greenery everywhere, clean streets, and a very calm atmosphere. It's the perfect place if you enjoy quiet travel, slow mornings, and relaxed vibes. So that was my experience staying at Hyatt Hotel Canberra. If you're visiting Australia's capital and looking for a comfortable, luxurious, and peaceful place to stay, this hotel is definitely worth considering. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next journey.